Hasne night na jotto khabang tak tai bhuk sam hasne night na jotto khabang tak tai bhuk sam chung jotto na sai members 28 ni bisingo je 24 members 24 elected jotno members fight tongo sungnugi mankha fight tongo sungnugi mankha maximum constituency ni boro fight sok paiko maximum constituency ni boro candidate fight sok paija katal m district ni candidate fight sok paija katal m district kana omo sok paija ani kul bhavan man kana omo titi addition hai ka council bhavan titi addition hai
to all. A very good morning to all. On behalf of KKBC, I extend my warm welcome. I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected and each one of you present here. And each one of you present here. Namaste. In exercise of the powers, TTADC conferred by institution, TTA election, conduct of business election 1985, conduct of business Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue of Tripura orders, is pleased to constitution of the orders, newly elected constitution of the newly elected district councils with rule once in accordance with rule 3-1 LR and Secretary Government of LR and Secretary is hereby authorized of Tripura to administer is hereby authorized affirmation to administer the newly elected affirmation of the district newly elected members. I would like to request LR and Secretary Das and Government LR and Secretary to initiate the process of administration of affirmation of the elected members of the district elected members of the district council. Now, I would like to call on the newly elected members, newly elected on the stage one by one, or taken on the stage one by Post of India, or affirmation to the Constitution of India. I call on Ramchara Rajan one Ramchara Kantri ST. As she is absent, now I call upon Shailendra Ma'am is absent. P. Dasda Kanchan. Now I call is absent. Shailendra. Now I call upon P. Dasda Kanchan. Shailendra Ma'am. P. Dasda Kanchan. Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST. I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura. I call upon Karmachara Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST. Now, I call upon Sri Ismail Rohit Tripura, Fire Chairman. Now, I call upon Sri Ismail Rohit Tripura, Fire Chairman. Now, I call upon Sri Now I call upon Sri Dheerendra Debbarma, 7 Ranchara Kachuchara. Now I call upon Sri Dheerendra Debbarma, 7 Ranchara Kachuchara.
Ang Musang Director Department Different Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ne Adong Ungui Kongkat Maya Director Department Different Tribal Areas Autonomous Kangui Saldo de Rakuli Ungui Enargui Kongkat Maya Dulu Kangui Saldo Ungui Parot Ele Maya Kangui Singte Kuragari Kuri Kongui Enargui Ungui Tumai Kangui Saldo Parot Komui Enargui Singte Kuri Kongmani Rongno Koito Ungui Amungno Abai kupai karok komoi ang wagdagoi kongmani amungno abai kupai tangai.
Now I call upon Sri Patrachoryan, 8 Ganganagar Gandachara.
Out. Hari itu kawan.
Ang Musang Sampradirian Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni kehar tui panghiye tungyo paimon yo kuo Ishorno duai laye smai tangung ye santabo
Abono se krok iye au iye smai tang satawo parot akko bai snam tenyok mo pa erong rai darau no mukha bai hak iye mukho bom jaye ani satawo pau tenyok mo samung rau no ang abai ubai ke tangai Now, I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashram Bari.
Out, check out, check out.
Ang Macang Prashmit Verma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Ada Mungui, Chonggamani Yakulo, Mohaduni Mungui, Smai Tangui Satawo, Kerakhe Putu Nargui, Smai Tangui Satawo, Barokni Baki, Isingkui, Hajar Kerango, Putu Kubui, Horok Pomui, Ano Bokdagui, Tomani Samuno, Habai Kubai Tangai, Hambai. Now, I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulari Champa.
Look jagah. और खा लिया Bona na ba mani na na di
I, Mutang Rajeshwar Verma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Ada Mungui, Chonggamani Yakulo, Kaitunis, Sumai Tangai Satawo, Kerakhe Putu Nargui, Sumai Tangai Satawo, Barok Nyambaki Isingkui, Hajar Kerangno Putu Kubui, Barong Bomui, Anu Boktekna, Tongmani Samuno, Habai Kubai Tangai, Amai.
apa mau kan oi sian na ba yun
Now, I call upon Sri Utpat Verma, 11 Maharani Purteliana.
masih na
Ang Mutang Verma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ikong Beratnya kudu naragay sumaitani sa tao. Barangay naman yung simple hadak erong mo. Kuy. Orang omoy. Ano pagkat panis amo. Dot habay kubay kakya.
Now, I call upon Sri James de Burma, Sir Ramchandra Ghat.
I, myself, James de Burma, to the tribal area of Namas District Council, Adam Gongli, Changzakmaya Gula, Title is Sumai Tangi, Grakya Pertenarabin, Sumai Tangi Hazao, Para Elembakni, Bisimpu, Hazak Kerala, Perente Kumuni, Horab Bamui, Ana Bagzani, Tongmani Sanullah, Kaba Kubai Tangai, Wada Jahamai.
Kenal sini. Oh, itu.
Now, I call upon Sri Raghunath de Burma, Katin Simna Kamakar.
Ada gaduh. Yang kira display dia.
Musang Robindra de Burma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council, Adong, Ongoi, Tongzakma, Yakulo, Kaitoni Mongoi, Samai Kandis Pao, Paro, Elambakni, Isingkui, Hadak, Keramo, Oito, Obui, Koro Omui, Ano, Oksagui, Tongmani, Amuno, Habai, Kubai, Anan. Now, I call upon Sri Rulia de Burma, 14, Vicham Nagar, Bhakti
Untuk kisah nama berumah dah. Okeylah sini. Oh, itu.
I, Musang, Rulia de Burma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, Adam Gongli, Tongzakma, Yakulo, Title is Sumai Tangai, Hazao, Beratnya Oito, Naragay Sumaitani Hazao, Para Elambakni Bisimpi, Hazak Erongno, Oito Kubui, Horok Omui, Ano Bagzaki, Tongmani Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Okeylah.
Now,
강릉점 뭐라? 강릉경
Namaskar. Jagadish Kapoor. Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. Ada Mungui Tongkapana Yaglo. Ishmatni Munti Sumaitani Sadar. Terakhir Putu Narade Sumaitani Sadar. Bharo Elevatni Isinti Hajar Kerala. Putu Kubui. Harap Bomai Ano Wajari Tamani Samuno Khabai Kubai Tamai. Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Devarma, 16 Mandai Nagar, Kulinpur.
And tentang the former, the private areas from what the council ada mungkin, tunggal maya belum, kait dengan mungkin semai tadi sadawo, terakhir potongan lagi semai tadi sadawo, para pelajar di sini ada kerana itu kubui, para pemain, pokok ini angmani samono, sampai kubui tangan ambil.
Now, I call upon Srimati Deepa Devarma, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannajoy Nagar Est.
Macam ni kita tengok, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni ada wujud mungkin trong depan ya dulu, kait ini mungkin beraktif samai kami ada barat hak betul ni kelembab ni fishing tu, hajat kerana kuitu tahu, kubui orang bomai, ano bom temani baca tebas kamu, kabar kubui no kami, betul.
Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Devarma, 18, Katarjala, Jambu Jala.
Macam Suraj Devarma, Tripura Sab Bodo Pai, Bosa Angkor Foksam, Adon Mungkin, Somdam Maya, Kait Kodi terakhir poito nargai mai Barat dalam bab isimti kata kerami poito ubui om nopai ano bokumani tongmani sama sabai upai
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar De Burma, 19 Amtali, Dulaghar. Muchang Buddha Kumar De Burma, Tribhuvan Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Abu Nongui, Songchakma Yagulo, Taipin Sumai Tangi, Hazaro, Berakhe Putu Naragui, Sumai Tangi, Hazaro, Barat Elam Magna Bishimpoi, Hazar Kerama, Putu Kubui, Hor Bamui, Anu, Baksari, Pamani, Hamono, Havai Kubai Tangi. Belang Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Pilarapa.
Ang podoton betul ya. Di sini atau angmanya kolot, tongdamanya kolot matai kotor, papa yang dimenggui, semai tangui sadau, para kotor ni elemen ada kerana angkut bayu, di ani takau bangsa kodano abai kubai, bakro kongui samuntanai amu.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, 21 Maharani, Telangana.
I, Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Alumna.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22 Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Muchang David Murasi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Somjat Adam Ungui Somjatma Yagulo Sini Mutaibat Tay Bala Horican Tay Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakke Kuitanaragui Sumai Tangi Sajau Barat Hakutorni Elambak Bisingkui Khazak Erongno Puito Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Boksari Kongmani Samungna Khabai Kubai Tangai Jai Bala Jai Prasad Jai Khansa Bharat Mata Ki Jai Jai Guru Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23 Ampi Nagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kanai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the court solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge that duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24 Raima Vedi.
I, Musang Bahanda Tripura, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ने आधा हुए चंद्रमा यागलो, काइटोनिस समाई तांगे साधवो, ग्राफिक कुंतु नारगो समाई तांगे साधवो, बारत एलन बागने उसिते खाजानी खाजर केरना बुइतो दुबई, पर बोंबई आनो बंजाबई कम्पनी सामुनो खाबाई दुबई तांगे.
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbasa.
Sujoy Choi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Pohatui from Sayalaya Krishnanin Mumbai Soita Kawoi Boy Katu Mumbai Akan Karuye India Hami Roito Royang Komodoy Maninai Ake Amje Tamna Kaitumi Abuna Hati Chuk Mumbai Samutana Kata.
Now, I call upon Sri Kenaram Riyang 46, Bir Chandranagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Devajit Tripura 27, Urba Mandipur, Buratani.
Tentang Deputi Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Ungui Songsak Mayagulo Kaitani Mungui Sumai Tanggai Sasago Parot Elebak Dibisikte Sasa Kerokno Uiju Kugui Korak Bogoi Ano Boksagoi Tongkani Sabungno Kabai Kubai Karnai Abai.
Now, I call upon Sri Tanjang Wong 28 Silachari Manubankul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the TTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Dev Verma elected MDC to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Devarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
Officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTAADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected Elani Poktamani. Jasapana Kasha Karune, Tini Official Chairman TTADC, Time Official Chief Executive Member elected Khajabiya. Bolibagoi পরবর্তী সময়ে তেরোশো সিটি কংগ্রেস খাজাবি কেতাল চেয়ারম্যান তাই সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলবাগই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজার প্রিসাইডিং অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব এখনো সাগরে নেন। তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময় খামানি প্রোগ্রামে পাইকা নেই দুইটা নেই আমরা